all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some lovely cotton salwar materials and some semi-raw silk material, all casual wear salwars, but really pretty designs, lovely designs, simple sober designs, all we are going to see. Before seeing the salwars, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the salwar, take a screenshot and send us to the number 9384851299. I repeat, it's 9384851299. Come on, let's start seeing the salwars now. It's a very lovely soft cotton material, very soft material. In the center we have a beautiful embroidery with the gotapati work, you could see that. And in the body also we have a crisscross pattern in stitched design, a very beautiful one. And the bottom is in beautiful yellow. It's also pure cotton. And the dupatta of the salwar is a very pretty cotton dupatta, pure cotton dupatta with a beautiful print on it. Very beautiful salwar, and the price of the salwar is $790. This is again a very lovely green color cotton salwar material. It's a pure cotton, soft cotton material. In the neckline we have a beautiful buttons with a small pipings on it. Cute design. And the bottom is in a very pretty printed pattern in green and black design. And the pallu, and the dupatta of this salwar is a very beautiful cotton dupatta with a very pretty design. On the sides we have a beautiful pipings, and the price of this salwar is $790. This is a very beautiful soft cotton material in peach color or more of a light orange color. In the center neckline we have a beautiful embroidery with small mirror works, and throughout the body we have prints. And the bottom of the salwar is in orange color, light orange, with a lovely dupatta of white and orange combination. So this is the dupatta, looks really pretty, and the price of this salwar is $790. It's a beautiful soft cotton material, very lovely color, beautiful lemon yellow, and in the center we have a beautiful zardosi work, more of a bead work, looks really pretty. And the bottom is in yellow, pure cotton material, and the dupatta of this salwar is a very pretty dupatta in white with prints in it, looks really pretty, and the price of this salwar is $790. It's a beautiful soft cotton material, again a very lovely design. In the center we have an embroidery with small mirror works also, very lovely work, and throughout the body it's all embroidery, very pretty salwar. And the bottom is in contrast green color. It's a pretty chiffon dupatta, and on the sides we have the edgings, very beautiful one, and the price of this salwar is $850. This is a very beautiful peach color or more of a light orange color cotton salwar material with the center beautiful embroidery with gotapati work, and on the corner, on the sides also we have a lovely stitched work, very pretty one this salwar is. And the bottom is in pure cotton material in peach color, and the dupatta is again a printed dupatta, very lovely dupatta, and the price of this salwar is $790. A very pretty light green color cotton salwar material with a beautiful embroidery in the neckline with gotapati work, very beautiful print. This salwar is a lovely color, and the bottom is in pure cotton material, green color one, and the dupatta is again a lovely dupatta in cotton. It's all pure soft cotton material, and the price of this salwar is $790. A pink color cotton salwar material, a pure cotton with soft cotton. This is in the center neckline we have a very pretty design with a small buttons on it. On the sides we have small designs, and the body is completely printed, a lovely design. And the bottom is a printed one in black and red color combination, and the dupatta is a very beautiful dupatta for this. This is the dupatta, and the price of this salwar is $790. It's a lovely yellow color cotton salwar material, soft cotton. In the center, in the neckline, we have a beautiful work of small zardosi and bead works and gotapati work. Looks really pretty, very pretty salwar. And the bottom is in yellow color. And the dupatta of this salwar is a printed dupatta, very beautiful mal dupatta, very soft dupatta also. So this is how the salwar looks, and the price of the salwar is $790. It's a beautiful soft cotton material, very lovely design with a beautiful print. In the center we have a lovely design. You could see this small bead works, very beautiful salwar this is. And the bottom of the salwar is in contrast grey color in soft cotton material. with a beautiful malmal dupatta for this salwar. Very lovely dupatta in ikat pattern, and you have pom-poms in it. Very beautiful salwar this is, and the price of this salwar is 1020. This is again a soft cotton material, very lovely pink color soft cotton material. In the center we have a beautiful embroidery with small mirror works. Looks really pretty. Simple class salwars these are, and the bottom is in pink, and dupatta of this salwar is in white and pink combination. It's all pure mal cotton dupattas. Very pretty salwar, and the price of this salwar is 790. It's a beautiful grey color cotton salwar material with a beautiful print on it. On the center we have a very pretty piping with a small buttons and pipings on the sides. Very beautiful one. And the bottom is in printed one in grey with black stripes. Very pretty design. And the dupatta is a very beautiful cotton dupatta with printed, and you have the pipings on the sides. Very pretty dupatta it is. And the price of this salwar is 790. It's a very pretty soft cotton material in a beautiful parrot green, and in the center we have a lovely work, small bead work, very pretty neat work, and the bottom is in very lovely green. It's a pure cotton. All the bottoms also is pure soft cotton, and the dupatta is in mal dupatta in printed. Very pretty design. So this is how the salwar is, and the price of this salwar is 790. It's a beautiful light orange color cotton salwar material, soft cotton material with small beautiful buttas, and in the center it's a gotapati work. The bottom is a lovely printed bottom. This is also pure cotton. Very lovely design. And the dupatta of this salwar is a chiffon dupatta with prints in it. Looks really pretty. Simple casual wear salwars, and the price of this salwar is 780. It's a very beautiful soft cotton material again. A lovely light mango yellow. That's kind of a shade. It's neither orange nor a mango yellow. In between that, a beautiful design, and we have mirror works in it. Small mirror works, you could see that. And the bottom is in contrast cotton. Very lovely printed material. And the dupatta of the salwar is a pretty chiffon dupatta, a lovely dupatta, and the price of this salwar is 750. This is a very lovely raw silk material. On the neckline we have a very pretty embroidery in a contrast badamali color. Beautiful design, and throughout the body also it's an embroidered one. And the bottom is in contrast pink color, badamali color, and the dupatta is in chiffon dupatta with prints in it, and the corners having edges. Beautiful salwar this is, and the price of this salwar is 850. This is a very pretty cotton salwar material, pink color with a lovely embroidery in the mid and in the neckline, and we have gotapati work, and throughout the body it's a beautiful printed with the cross in stitched, and the bottom is in contrast pink color with a pretty dupatta, printed dupatta, and the price of this salwar is 790. It's a beautiful green color cotton salwar material. It's a pure cotton, soft cotton. On the center neckline we have a lovely design with buttons, and it's a printed one. Beautiful one. It's a lime green, very beautiful color, and the bottom is in a very beautiful print. And the dupatta of this salwar is a pure cotton dupatta with a lovely prints. Looks really pretty, and the price of this salwar is 790. It's a very pretty soft cotton material in brown color, very different combination, brown and pink. In the center we have a very pretty embroidery with small beadworks. Looks really pretty, simple class. And the bottom is in contrast pink color. This is the bottom. And again the dupatta is a chiffon dupatta in pink with the corners being edged. Very pretty salwar. So this is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 910. It's a beautiful soft cotton salwar material, very lovely design. In the center we have an embroidery and mirror work, small works. Very cute design, and a very comfortable, lovely material this is. And the bottom is in Leheria pattern design. A very beautiful bottom, and the dupatta is a chiffon dupatta with corners edged. Beautiful one. The salwar looks really pretty, very class, beautiful office wear. And the price of this salwar is 880. This is a beautiful soft cotton material in nice pink, very beautiful pink. And in the center panel we have a very cute work, a bead work. And the bottom is in pink color, soft cotton material again. And the dupatta is a very lovely dupatta, mal dupatta in white and pink color printed one. So this is how the salwar looks. Very pretty salwar, and the price of this salwar is 790. This is again a very pretty soft cotton material. A lovely design in light off-white and black color combination, and in the center we have a beautiful kalamkari work, and in the body also we have small mirror works. I think you could see that. And the bottom is in pretty kalamkari design in black and red combination. And the dupatta of this salwar is a pretty dupatta. This is the dupatta of the salwar, very lovely dupatta, and the price of this salwar is 850. A very pretty printed cotton salwar material. In the neck we have a beautiful embroidery with a small mirror work also, you could see that. A very lovely design, and the bottom is in pure cotton in green color itself. And the dupatta of this salwar is a pretty dupatta which is printed in white and green combination. Makes the salwar look really pretty, very beautiful this salwar is. And the price of this salwar is 790. This is a pure cotton salwar material in soft material in light orange. In the center panel we have a beautiful small beadworks, very pretty work, simple neat class work. And the bottom is in light orange. And the dupatta of this salwar is a very pretty dupatta in white and orange, looks really pretty. And the price of this salwar is 790. Thanks for watching the video. I am sure you would have liked the collections. To purchase these salwars, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.